thousands of people lost their lives in the back-to-back massive earthquakes that rocked Turkey and Syria on 6th of February. As rescue operations are currently on, Priyanka Chopra Jonas shared some glimpses of it, including a video of a 3-month-old baby getting rescued from the rubble. Soon the post went viral on social media as netizens took to the comment section to pen their reactions. One said, "I'm surprised that someone from Bollywood is actually even caring." Another wrote, "Thank you for posting this, Priyanka. I hardly see any celebrities posting." For more news and updates, stay tuned to ETimes.